If you've ever sold or bought a used car, you've likely heard of CarMax. But did you know that CarMax also offers car shipping services? Let's take a closer look at how CarMax Auto Shipping works. First things first, you'll need to get a shipping quote. Simply contact CarMax with details about your car and the destination. They'll provide you with a free estimate based on your route and shipment preferences. Once you've confirmed the shipment, it's time to prepare your car. Be sure to clean your vehicle and remove any personal or valuable items, as CarMax is not responsible for anything left behind during transit. Also, make sure your gas tank is at least a quarter full to allow the car to be moved safely. Next, gather the necessary documents: your car's registration, your driver's license, and a valid payment method if you haven't already paid. These will be required when you drop off your car for shipping. Once your car is dropped off, CarMax will begin the shipping process. Delivery can take anywhere from 2 to 21 days depending on your location. You'll receive updates on your car's progress and any potential delays along the way. When your car arrives at its destination, you or someone you designate can pick it up from a nearby CarMax location. It's that simple. With over 2 decades of experience, A1 Auto Transport offers reliable, nationwide auto shipping services. From open car transport to enclosed options for luxury vehicles, we've got you covered. Visit our website today for a free quote and expert guidance on your next car shipping journey.